In this video we will see a usage of dictionary object in Vbscript. That object we can use in automation tool like as QTP, UFT or a Testcomplete as well, where Vbscript is supported. That dictionary object is also a support for the multiple scripting language like Python as well. So here we will see basic introduction of dictionary object, difference between the array and dictionary object, how to add keys and items in a dictionary object, how to print keys and items, how to verify specific key existence in a dictionary object, how to remove key item pair from dictionary object, compare mode in a dictionary object. If we talk about the introduction of that dictionary object, the dictionary is a general purpose data structure that looks like a linked list, but it acts as like a super array. In a Vbscript, a dictionary store a data and make that data available through one variable. Also, we have a more major advantage in a dictionary like as array. The dictionary has additional methods like add new items, check for existing items, remove particular key from the dictionary object. But in array, that additional methods we don't have. So I mean we cannot remove particular index from the array. So that some specific functionalities dictionary provide us to manipulate the data. Also, you don't worry about the size of dictionary, because there is no size concept in dictionary object, and you don't need to call a redeem and preserve keyword like as a dynamic array to extend the dictionary size. The one more thing is that when you remove any particular item from the dictionary, all subsequent items automatically shift up. We can take an example, like if you remove a second item from the dictionary, the third item automatically shift up into the second item slot. You can use a key to identify the dictionary object. That is the major advantage we have in a dictionary object. We can easily remember the key. Key could be any string or any numeric value or a combination of both. So we can easily remember that key, and that key we can use it to identify the dictionary items that we will see in our example. Keys can be anything like any data type or subtype, except an array or dictionary. It means in dictionary items we cannot store array, or we cannot store a dictionary as well. But one more thing, that in array we can store a dictionary object. And another is if we talk about the advantage of dictionary object, that most important reason to using the dictionary instead of array is that a dictionary is a more flexible and is richer in terms of built-in functionality. Like a dictionary works better than array when you need to access some random elements from dictionary frequently. Dictionary also work better than when you want to locate items by their content rather than their position. Like an array, you have to remember the index, or you have to know the positions of the arrays where you store the data. But in dictionary, you just remember the content of that keys, and you don't worry about the positions. You can easily access that items using the keys. We can say the dictionary is more better than array. The dictionary is a COM object, so it must be initiate in the same fashion as any other COM object. Let's have a look how to create an instance of the dictionary object. So I will show you how to create a dictionary object instance. And I have prepared one small piece of code here. I have declared the dictionary object variable. I have created a dictionary object instance using that create object function. The formal syntax is a scripting dot dictionary. So using that one-liner code, we can create a dictionary object instance, and that instance is ready to add keys and items. So as I mentioned here, the compare, we have some one compare mode in a dictionary object. Dictionary provides actually a dictionary has only one configurable property, this is a compare mode. By default, dictionary is created in a binary mode, so which means each key is the dictionary is based on the ASCII value. And when the dictionary is configured in text mode, the uppercase and lowercase letters are treated as identically, and the syntax would be like this: dictionary object instance dot compare mode is equals to 1. 1 means it's a text mode, it's a textual mode, and if we modify with the 0, then it will be default, like the binary. So we will keep it as a text mode. And one more thing, friends, that remember always that compare mode we cannot modify if any of the key available in that dictionary object. You have to remove all that keys first, and then you can modify the compare mode. So I have assigned this before adding any key. So let's check how to add keys and items. The formal syntax is dictionary object dot add. This is the method. Then this is here you can add any key. It could be a numeric or text, or it could be a combination of text and numeric. And after the comma, you can add any item. It could be anything, value that you want to store in that dictionary object. This is the formal syntax. Another way, you can just add in parentheses using double quote, and you can add any string here, test 1 key. This is the key, and equals to, sorry, you have to use that value here, and then you can assign any value here. This is the test item value 1. That using that way, you can also add the multiple values and keys and items. Using that dictionary object instance, you can just use add method to add the keys and the key items for that key. So I have added here 5 test keys for the 5 test items. And this suppose we need to print the keys, how many keys available in that dictionary object. So for that, you can use a for each loop. I have created this dictionary key variable here, and in dictionary how many keys is there, it will iterate within a dictionary object. And same thing is like we need to print items in a dictionary, then using for each loop, dict item in dictionary object instance dot items. Using that items method, we can print the dictionary items available within that dictionary. As I mentioned here, we can remove any key pair from the dictionary. So the syntax would be dictionary object instance remove and key name. Here you have to pass a key name which you needs to remove from the dictionary object. There is a way to remove the dictionary keys from the dictionary object. The first is a dictionary instance dot remove. Here you can use this way you can remove specific key from the dictionary object. And another way is a dictionary object dot remove all. Using this, you can remove all the dictionary variables, dictionary keys and items from the dictionary. So This is how we seen how to add keys, how to add keys and items in a dictionary object, how to print keys and items, how to verify the, yes, this is the remaining. I will show you how to verify the existence using the dictionary object dot exist method. We can verify the specific key existence in the dictionary object just using the exist method. So here I have removed a test key 2 and I verified the existence over here in below, and then again I have printed all the items available in the dictionary. So we've seen that how to print the keys and items, how to print the specific key, how to remove key item pair from dictionary object, what is the compare mode available in a dictionary object, and the difference between array and dictionary as well. How dictionary is better than array, that we seen here. So let's check how the program will work for us. I will just give an overview with that. I have added 5 keys and items in the dictionary object. I have printed keys here. I have printed items here. I removed one key, which is a second dictionary key and item pair, and then I have verified the existence of that key, and the key should not be found in that dictionary after the remove operations performed, and then I have printed again the dictionary items. So let's check how it works. First it will show you all the 5 keys available in the dictionary, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the 5 keys. Next one is the test item loop. We have it right here. So test 1, test 2, test 3, 4, 5. Now the remove operation will be performed. Then the key 2 is not found in the object dictionary object. Then it will again iterate the loop for the available items, which is one of the last one, this one. So now item 2 should not be available in that because we have removed here. Yes. So let's check. Yes, it's showing a test item 3. It skipped item 2 because it's not available in the dictionary object that we have removed. Test item 4 and test item 5. Finish. So yes, so thanks for watching the video. If you like that video, please click on like button and subscribe my channel to get a more useful automation testing stuff. For more details, navigate to my blog, that automation test anything blogspot.com. Here you can find out the dictionary related stuff. Thank you.